Correct? Hello student, we are here to show the working of galvanometer. Here we can see here G is written. G denotes for galvanometer. Now we are going to discuss here that what is the significance of galvanometer and how it is different from ammeter. And for this, because why it is needed, क्यों ज़रूरत है इसकी, क्योंकि कहीं पर भी गूगल पर या कहीं पर भी गैल्वेनोमीटर का स्पेसिफिकली डिफरेंस गिवन नहीं है. जैसा कि आपने देखा होगा, तो अगर आप सर्च मारें वर्किंग ऑफ गैल्वेनोमीटर, वर्किंग सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ गैल्वेनोमीटर मीन्स why does we use galvanometer. So everywhere it is written that galvanometer is used to detect small amount of current. But is this the proper way to answer this question? Let us see. So we have taken galvanometer. Now it is right that it can measure small amount of current. But how is it different from ammeter? Because ammeter is also used to find out the value of current. So if we connect this cell with this galvanometer, as you can see here needle is resting at 0 at this point. So if we connect this positive terminal of galvanometer with positive terminal of cell and this negative terminal of galvanometer with negative terminal of cell, then we can see here that deflection of galvanometer is along the right side. And if we connect the negative terminal of galvanometer with the positive terminal of cell and the positive terminal of galvanometer with the negative terminal of cell, then deflection of galvanometer is along the left. So galvanometer, when we reversing the terminals, then the direction of current is changed. It means galvanometer can give you the value of current as along with its direction, because when we connecting this terminal with the positive terminal, then current is flowing from this positive potential to negative potential, and we are reversing its direction, then the direction of current is also reversed. So our conclusion is galvanometer is used to find out small amounts of current and along with its direction, because as we can see this, because of this small amount is this small cell, the deflection is very large. That's why we can say that it used to detect a small amount of current. Thank you.